Technology integrated lesson plan. I will present a technology integrated lesson plan. I created this lesson plan for 3rd grade students, and it's about meaning or tafsir of Juz' Amma. The duration of this project is 2 class sessions. I will make sure that my classroom is equipped with the technology required for this project, such as computers, speakers, projectors. In addition, the required software, PowerPoint, Internet browser, the House of Quran, Google search, and YouTube. To engage my student to the lesson plan, I will start by explaining to them how important to understand the Quran while memorizing it, because when we know the tafsir of the verses of the Quran, then we will understand the message delivered by those verses. I will let my student watch a YouTube video cartoon about the story of the peoples of the elephant. I choose this story because I'm using Surah Al-Fil as an example of our project. After watching the movie, I will give the student some time to discuss it and to ask questions in order to find the relation between the movie and Surah Al-Fil. Then I will let them go online to the House of Quran to search and explore the different surahs in Juz' Amma, and encourage them to pick the surah he will use for his project. In this stage, I will explain to them the project goals and objectives, which is creating a PowerPoint slideshow of one surah from Juz' Amma, picked individually by each student. They have to find the tafsir for each verse and then use Google search to find an image or more than one image related to the meaning of each verse. In addition, they have to master their tajweed and memorization of the surah. I prepared an example of the PowerPoint project presented Surah Al-Fil. I will display it to my students. My PowerPoint slides will be like a model they have to follow. End of slideshow. Once the student chooses the surah for his project, I will explain to them how to use the House of Quran website to find the surah, listen to the recitation of the surah, find the meaning for each verse, Google the image, save them on their computers. Finally, create the PowerPoint and put all information together, and they will be given enough time to practice how to do all these steps by themselves. To evaluate my student, I will evaluate them according to their recitation and on how perfect they were applying the tajweed rules. I will also evaluate their PowerPoint slideshow and their presentation to the PowerPoint. And that's the end of my presentation.